Hi friends, welcome to Simply Jain. To all the pizza lovers here, we present you how to make vegetable pizza. So let's get started. Ingredients required for pizza sauce are tomato puree, olive oil, tomato ketchup, salt, sugar, chili sauce, basil leaves, chili flakes and oregano. First, we'll take 1 tablespoon olive oil. In that, we are going to add 1 tablespoon basil leaves and then saute it for 1 minute. In this, I am going to add tomato puree. I have taken 2 tomatoes, de-seeded them and then mix it. Allow it to cook for around 2 minutes. In this, we are going to add 1 tablespoon red chilli sauce. Our viewers were very keen to know which brand chilli sauce we use. So it is Puree red chilli sauce. So that's going to be 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, salt to taste, half teaspoon sugar, around half to 1 teaspoon oregano and 1 teaspoon red chilli flakes. Mix everything and allow it to cook for another 5-7 minutes. And you'll cook till all the water evaporates. It should be this thick. Our pizza sauce is ready. Ingredients required to make pizza are pizza bread, Amul cheese, Mozzarella cheese, baby corn, zucchini, broccoli, all 3 bell peppers, chili flakes, oregano, jalapenos, basil leaves, green and black olives and pizza sauce. First, we are going to take 1 tablespoon olive oil. Once our oil is heated, we are going to add around 2 tablespoon broccolis. So I am just going to roast the pizza bread. And you all can check out the recipe by clicking the I button on the right side of your screen. We have posted pizza breads earlier. We are just going to roast one side of the pizza bread. That's going to be the top side. You all can roast it with butter, olive oil, ghee. I'm going to do it with olive oil. We'll roast it for another 1 minute. Okay, this is done. Once we have roasted our bread, we are going to apply the pizza sauce on it. So that's going to be around 1.5 tablespoons. On that, we are just going to spread some cheese first. So I am going to put both Amul and Mozzarella cheese. Then goes in the bell peppers. You all can avoid using all 3 bell peppers. The sauteed vegetables. Then jalapenos. Some olives. Oregano, chili flakes, then goes in the cheese. So first I am going to start with Amul cheese. Now here, if you all don't want to add mozzarella, it's okay, but it's going to be cheesy. You all can skip mozzarella if you all want, but it will give a nice cheesy effect. And then few basil leaves. This is ready to get baked. And I'm going to put it in the oven till it gets golden brown. So it's going to be around 7 to 8 minutes. I've preheated the oven for 3 minutes. And I'm going to bake it at 180 degrees. Our cheesy vegetable pizza is ready. If you like my recipe, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.